This review is going to be on a Crosman M4 .177 caliber BB gun, and it also shoots pellets, .177 caliber pellets. Try to give you a quick overview of everything this little BB gun has. It's a really nice BB gun to buy to teach your little boys or little girls on how to shoot. It has a peep sight. Right there you can see the peep sight. So all they got to do is look for that little hole and line up the front sight post, which you can also take off. I'll show you how that goes back on here in a little bit. Supposedly, now I tried to do some research on how fast this shoots. It said on the box, I think 625 feet per second and up to 660 feet per second. Now that depends on if you're putting BBs in or pellets in. It's got a rifled barrel in it, so that makes it a little more accurate when you're shooting pellets. You can pump this BB gun 3 to 10 times. Pretty simple. My boys are now 10 and 12 years old. It's real simple for them to pump. I think I got this when my youngest was about 8 years old. It was a little rougher for him to pump it at 8 years old, but now he can pump it pretty simple. The laser, I have a laser mounted on this. This does not come with the rifle. I'm going to put down in the description, I'll put links to this BB gun itself, and I will put links to a couple different lasers I think you could mount on this. Now the lasers are, you can buy cheap lasers for 15-20 bucks you could mount on this, and the kids will think that's pretty fun. It has a Picatinny rail up top here, and there's one even here on the pump. Now I don't know if I'd mount the laser on there because it's going to get banged around a lot every time you pump it. And you have a Picatinny rail up here up front on the bottom and the top. So you could mount even a light on there for them just so it looks really cool. Well, like I said, the rear and front sight, they're both, you can take both of them off. They're metal and plastic. You can adjust the elevation on the front sight post with a little tool that comes with it. It's located right here in the clip. Right here's the little tool. So that fits right over top of that front sight post. You can go up or down. Oh, and in the clip comes with another little clip that holds 5 pellets that you can, this is how you would load the pellets and BBs right here. Keep that to the rear. And this mount goes in here, oh, not that way. Goes in there like that. Now you have to manually push that over. And if I push that forward, it's going to load a pellet into it. Then you shoot it, and you can manually push that over again, and you can load another pellet into it. Pretty cool. The little clip holds 2 of them. You can order more of these if you want. And the reservoir to hold the BBs is loaded right here. Supposedly that holds about 300. I've never counted that, but it's plenty of shooting time. Now, like I said, I'm going to have this BB gun and a couple lasers down in the description. The BB gun I'm going to put down in the description, it's a kit. You can buy, there's a couple different ones on there you can buy. They're exactly like this. One will come with just the gun, and one says it's a kit, and it comes with 100 BBs, 100 pellets, 5 targets, a carry handle, which I don't have the carry handle on, and it comes with a set of eye protection. And that kit's only, I think, $3 to $4 more than just buying the gun, so to me it's worth it to buy that kit. Now you see on my table here, I also have a blowgun that I made out of a PVC pipe. It has these little darts made out of nails and paper and some hot glue. I have a video on that, on how I made this. This is really fun to shoot. You can shoot this out in your garage at a box or some cans. And I have a PVC bow that I made. It has 550 cord on it. And inside the bow has driveway markers, fiberglass driveway markers to make this thing a little stronger. Shoots pretty good. I have another video on that. if you want to watch them videos on how I made them. They're really fun for the kids to play with. Just make sure you're with your kids when they're playing with these. None of these are really toys. You could really get hurt. I guess one last thing, I'll show you the length of this. This gun here is about 30.5 inches. And if you extend this all the way out, it is about 33 3/4 inches long. If you want to know how close that is from there, it's about 9 inches here. And when you go all the way out, that's about 12 inches to right here in front of the trigger. All right, I'll go outside and shoot this a couple times and show you how it shoots. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this front sight post back on, and I'll shoot a couple with that on. Just got to line this piece up right here inside one of these grooves. Just like. And then turn this little knob. Now to load a pellet, you gotta pull back your, I don't know, I'll call it your charging handle. That's what it's called on a real M4. Click over one more, push it forward, pump it up. I'm shooting through a can and I don't know, about 6 boxes inside my garage, so it'll never go through all them boxes. Nice. I didn't do too good, but I did hit the same hole. Head on. Oh, good enough. All right, let me show you a couple of shots out of this blowgun. See if I can hit that can. Now, I'm pretty close, but. Woo! Where'd it go? Oh, there's my. Dense. Well, I hope you liked that review on the M4177 Crosman BB gun, pellet gun. And watch my other video on how I made this blowgun, and the other video on how I made the longbow. I can't shoot that in my garage. Oh, and don't tell my wife I'm shooting guns and blowguns in my garage. Well, that blowgun's probably okay, but my gun, I'm not sure if she'll like that. Please give me a thumbs up for this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. God bless. Have a great day.